This is a video based upon differentiation and especially quotient rule. So we are going to use a concept called as quotient rule. We are going to learn. What is this one? F of x is a function having division rational function has numerator and denominator two functions. So how am I going to find the derivative of that one? So what is that? Write the square of the denominator and denominator, then numerator derivative minus numerator times derivative of denominator. So if you remember this formula, then it will be easy to do that. So for that, let us do with an example. If the function is x upon x plus 2, I do this one by quotient rule and also by product rule. Both the ways we are going to get the same answer. First by quotient rule. So I know the denominator is x plus 2. So denominator square times denominator. Derivative of numerator is 1 minus again x times derivative of denominator is 1. So it is x plus 2 minus x upon x plus 2 whole square. So my answer is going to be 2 upon x plus 2 whole square. We can see that every question of the quotient rule can be converted into product rule and do that. So I converted as a product of two functions by taking x plus 2 to the numerator. So this becomes u and this becomes v. The formula for product rule in the previous video we have learned uv prime plus vu prime. So u is x, v prime is negative 1 comes front, x plus 2, negative 1 will become negative 2 times 1 plus v is x plus 2 negative 1 times u prime is 1. So write it out in order, negative x upon x plus 2 whole square plus 1 upon x plus 2. Write the common denominator. Common denominator is x plus 2 whole square negative x and one more x plus 2. When you simplify, you can see that you are going to get the same answer. Irrespective of quotient rule or product rule, you will be getting the same answer. But following quotient rule formula will make our life easier. Coming to the second question, we'll try some few questions. 8 questions under this model, 4x upon 1 minus 3x. So what will be y prime? 1 minus 3x whole square. Then 1 minus 3x as it is, 4x derivative is 4, minus 4x as it is, negative 1 minus 3x derivative is negative 3. Then when you simplify this, I am directly writing that answer. You will be getting it out 4 upon. So it should be 4 upon 1 minus 3x whole square. That is part A. Coming to part B, the worksheet for this one will be given in the link. You can download and do that and pause this video and try to do on your own. E power x and check for the answers. X minus 4 whole square. In that case, y prime will be x minus 4 whole square, x minus 4. E power x derivative is e power x. Next time e power x as it is, x minus 4 derivative is a 1. So what does that becomes? E power x common, x minus 5 upon x minus 4 whole square. Next, coming to part C, x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3. So y prime will be equals to 2x plus 3 whole square, 2x plus 3, x plus 1 derivative is 1, minus x plus 1 times 2x derivative is 2. Simplify that further. So directly I am writing that answer 1 upon 2x plus 3 whole square. Now part D. Over there, the function will be 1 minus x upon x cube plus 2. In that case, y prime will be x cube plus 2 whole square, x cube plus 2, negative x derivative is negative 1 minus 1 minus x as it is, x cube derivative is 3x square. So when you simplify this one, you should be getting it out. The answer should be for this one. Let me write that answer there. As 2x cube minus 3x square minus 2 upon x cube plus 2 whole square. This is basically third question D part, which I skipped it out second question D part. So I did third question D part. Coming back to the second question part D. Second question part D will be from the worksheet I'm talking about. So you can download the worksheet from the link given in the description. So y prime will be equals to, this is second question part D, 2x square times 2x, ln x derivative is 1 upon x, times ln x as it is, 2x derivative is 2. Now simplify that. My answer should be 1 minus ln x upon 2x square. Simplify that, cancel off 2, you should be able to get that answer. Now coming to part E, x upon 2 minus x square. So in that case, y prime will be 2 minus x square whole square, 2 minus x square, x derivative is 1, minus x times minus x square derivative is negative 2x. Then the answer should be over here, 2 plus x square upon 2 minus x square whole square. Part F, square root of x upon 3x plus 2. Remember, square root of x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So y prime equals to 3x plus 2 whole square, 3x plus 2 times square root of x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x minus root x as it is, 3x plus 2 derivative is 3. Now what you can do it out is, you can still simplify this one or take that root x to the denominator, so it becomes 3x plus 2 minus 6x upon 2 root x times 3x plus 2 whole square. So it will become 2 minus 3x upon 2 root x times 3x plus 2 whole square. That's going to be the answer. Now coming to part G, e power 2x divided by 1 minus e power 2x. In that case, 1 minus e power 2x whole square, 1 minus e power 2x times e power 2x derivative. What is e power 2x derivative? It is 2 e power 2x minus e power 2x as it is. Again, 1 minus e power 2x derivative is minus 2 e power 2x. Then simplify that. What you should be getting it out? 2 e power 2x divided by 1 minus e power 2x whole square. So what's going to be the answer? That's the answer for that particular question. So coming to the next question, part H, 2x plus 1 divided by square root of x plus 3. So y prime equals to square root of x plus 3 whole square, square root of x plus 3 times 2x plus 1 derivative is 2 minus 2x plus 1 as it is, square root of 2x plus 3 derivative is 1 upon 2x plus 3, 1 upon 2 square root of x plus 3. Every time square root of x plus 3 derivative is 1 upon 2 square root of x. And if at all in the worksheet it is minus, so what am I going to do? I am going to make it as minus. I'll go to make it as minus x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. Then I try to simplify it further, so it will become 4 times of x minus 3 minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 times 2 times square root of x minus 3. So when I simplify further, sorry, it becomes 2x minus 13 divided by 2x minus 3 whole power 3 upon 2. That is question number 2. Coming to question number 3. In question number 3, we need to simplify and find dy by dx. So y equals to x square upon x plus 4. So what will be dy by dx this time? X plus 4 whole square, x plus 4, x square derivative is 2x minus x square times x plus 4 derivative is 1. When I simplify this, I should be getting that answer as x square plus 8x divided by x plus 4 whole square. That is part A. Coming to part B, y equals to square root of x minus 4 divided by 2x squared. So what will be dy by dx over there? 2x square whole square, 2x square as it is, square root is 2 square root of x minus 4. If you use this formula, it will become easy. 2x square derivative is 4x. 2 and 2 cancels. 2 and 2 cancels. So what am I left over with? Nothing but what? X square times or minus, I will be getting it as 4x times x minus 4 divided by 4x to the power of 4 times square root of x minus 4. So it becomes x squared minus 4x squared plus 16x divided by 4x to the power of 4 square root of x minus 4. So it becomes 16x minus 3x squared divided by 4x to the power of 4 square root of x minus 4. Take one x common and cancel it out. 16 minus 3x upon 4x cubed square root of x minus 4. That's going to be the answer for part B. Now coming to part C. Y equals to 2e power x plus 1 divided by 1 minus 3e power x. So what should be dy by dx? In that case, dy by dx equals to 1 minus 3e power x whole square, 1 minus 3e power x, 2e power x derivative is 2e power x minus 2e power x plus 1 as it is, and 1 minus 3e power x derivative is minus 3e power x. Then I try to simplify it further. So it should become 2e power x minus 6e power 2x plus 6e power 2x minus plus 3e power x divided by 1 minus 3e power x whole square. So 6e power 2x, 6e power 2x gets cancels. 5e power x divided by 1 minus 3e power x whole square. That's going to be the answer for part C. Then coming to part D. Y equals to 1 minus x upon x cubed plus 2. In that case, what's dy by dx? Dy by dx equals to x cubed plus 2 whole square, x cubed plus 2, negative x derivative is negative 1, negative 1 minus x, x cubed derivative is 3x square. If you simplify it further, so already I have done it out there in part 2, so once again, so directly I am writing that answer this time. It should become 2x cubed minus 3x square minus 2 upon x cubed plus 2 whole square. In second question, this has already been done, so once again I am doing there. Part E, y equals to ln of 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. So what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx will be x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 as it is, ln derivative is 1 upon 3x minus 1 and 3x derivative is 3, minus ln of 3x minus 1 times x derivative is 1. So when I try to simplify this, I will be getting the answer as 3 times of x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 1 times x plus 2 whole square. I'll separate in two fractions. That will be better. Ln 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square. The reason for separating into two fractions is 1x plus 2, 1x plus 2 can be cancelled. My final answer will be 3 upon 3x minus 1 times x plus 2 minus ln of 3x minus 1 times x plus 2 whole square. This is going to be the answer for part E. Now part E, then finally part F. Y equals to square root of x plus 1 upon x plus 3. So how should I be able to do this one? So what can I do? I can write it as separately, square root x plus 1 divided by square root x plus 3. Then the life will become easier for that. So dy by dx equals to Denominator square, square root x plus 3 whole square. Then square root x plus 3. Square root x plus 1 derivative is 1 upon 2 square root x plus 1 minus square root x plus 1 as it is. Square root x plus 3 derivative is 1 upon 2 square root x plus 3. So take the common denominator, that is 2 square root x plus 1 times square root x plus 3, and the denominator x plus 3 is there as it is. So what does that becomes now? Square root x plus 3 times square root x plus 3 is square root x plus 3 whole square. Square root x plus 1 times square root x plus 1 is square root x plus 1 whole square. So simplify that. It becomes x plus 3 minus x minus 1 divided by 2 times square root x plus 1 times x plus 3 times again x plus 3. So it becomes x and x gets cancels, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 also cancels. So I'm left over with 1 upon x plus 1 is having only one square root, whereas x plus 3 is having 1 plus 1 upon 2, which is 3 upon 2. This is going to be the answer. So for square root 1 x plus 1 also we can write 1 upon 2. So this should be the answer for 3F. Coming to question number 4. He is asking in question number 4, find the coordinates of stationary points. Find the coordinates of stationary point. What is the meaning of stationary point? For the finding the coordinates of the stationary point, find the derivative and equate to 0. So the first one, y equals to x square upon 3 minus x. So what am I going to do? So dy by dx equals to 3 minus x whole square. 3 minus x, x square derivative is 2x minus x square as it is, negative x derivative is negative 1. So it becomes 6x minus x square upon 3 minus x whole square. At a stationary point, the first derivative should be equals to 0. 3 minus x whole square equals to 0. So only x times 6 minus x equals to 0. So either x equals to 0 or x equals to 6. Plug in that one. You should be getting, when you substitute x equals to 0, you get y equals to 0. When you plug in x equals to 6, you should be getting it out negative 12. These are the stationary points. Part B, y equals to e power 4x divided by 2x minus 1. So what will be dy by dx there? 2x minus 1 whole square. Then 2x minus 1, e power 4x is 4 e power 4x minus e power 4x times 2. Then again at stationary point, it should be equals to 0. So e power 4x common, 2 e power 4x common. So it will become 1 more 2 and 2x minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 whole square equals to 0. Then what do I get it out? 2 e power 4x times 4x minus 3 should be equals to 0. E power 4x equals to 0 is not possible. 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 upon 4. Plug in 3 upon 4 in the question. You should be getting it out 2 e power 3. That's going to be the answer for part B. Then for part C, y equals to x plus 5 upon square root of 2x plus 1. So what is dy by dx for that? So dy by dx equals to square root of 2x plus 1 whole square, square root of 2x plus 1 times 1 minus x plus 5 times 1 upon 2 square root of 2x plus 1. Again 2x plus 1 derivative is 2. So take the common denominator, it becomes 2x plus 1 minus 2, then minus 2 gets cancels, x plus 5 divided by that square root 2x plus 1 comes down, and one more 2x plus 1 is there in the denominator. This should be equals to 0. So I am left over only with the numerator, which is x minus 4 should be equals to 0. So x equals to 4. Plug in x equals to 4. You will be getting the y value as 3. That is part C. Coming to part D, y equals to ln 3x upon 2x. So what will be dy by dx now? 2x whole square, 2x, ln 3x derivative is 1 upon 3x times 3 minus ln 3x times 2. So x cancels, 3 cancels. So 2 minus 2 ln 3x. 2 minus 2 ln 3x should be equals to 0. So 2 equals to 2 ln 3x. So ln 3x should be equals to 1. So when is ln 3x should be equals to 1? So 3x equals to e, x equals to e upon 3. Plug in that e upon 3 in the question. Directly I'm writing that answer. You should be getting the y value as 3 upon 2 e power negative 1. Then that was question number D. Now question number E. Y equals to x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. So I will be separating it as x plus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole square. So that way it will become easier for to solve it out. So dy by dx will be equal to x minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Then it becomes x minus 2 whole square, 2 times x plus 1 minus, this time x plus 1 whole square will be remaining as it is, 2 times x minus 2. So I take 2 times x plus 1 common. So what will be left over? 1 more x minus 2 will be left over. Then, because basically what is happening is 1 x minus 2 and x minus 2 cancels. So 1 more x minus 2 is left over, minus of 1 more x plus 1 is left over, divided by x minus 2 whole cube. When you simplify this, you should be directly getting the answer as minus 6 times of x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole cube. Now at stationary point, this should be equals to 0. So denominator cannot be equal to 0. So only numerator equals to 0. So x equals to negative 1. Plug in x equals to negative 1. You will be getting the y value as 0. And lastly, last part of this question for this video will be part F, where y equals to x cube minus 3 divided by x plus 2. Then in that case, dy by dx equals to x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 times, and this should be x square, not x cube. We'll change this one to x square, times 2x minus x square minus 3 times 1. Now when I simplify that, I will be getting it as x square plus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 2 whole square. So at stationary point, x square plus 4x plus 3 upon x plus 2 whole square should be equals to 0. So it is x plus 1 times x plus 3 should be equals to 0. So x equals to negative 3, x equals to negative 1. When I plug in negative 3, my answer is negative 6. When I plug in negative 1, my answer is negative 2. That's going to be the answer. So that completes this video. See you in the next video. Bye.